If your forsythia just finished blooming, now is the best time to prune it, and pruning the wrong way can actually mean fewer flowers next spring. Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Forsythia puts on such a beautiful show in early spring, but once the flower fades, a lot of people aren't quite sure what to do next. Should you trim it now, wait until fall, or leave it alone completely? And the truth is, pruning at the wrong time can actually remove next year's flowers. So today I'm going to show you how to trim the forsythia right after blooming to keep it healthy, natural looking, and full of flowers year after year. Let's take a closer look at this shrub. Before pruning, it helps to step back and look at the overall shape. This forsythia was neglected for years and occasionally pruned the wrong way, which did more harm than good. You can see long, thin stems extending beyond the natural shape. And inside the bush, you can see older woody stems, crowded growth in the center, dead branches, and crossing branches. At first, it all blends together, but right next to the forsythia, there is also a mock orange here. Forsythia naturally has a soft fountain shape, and pruning should help preserve that form. Before making cuts, here are two common mistakes to avoid. First, don't shear forsythia like a hedge. That creates a dense outer layer, while the inside becomes woody and bare. Second, don't shorten branches halfway and leave stubs. This triggers weak shoots right below the cut. Instead of a clean structure, you end up with dense, tangled growth over time. Forsythia responds much better when cuts are made back to a larger branch or down to the base. Now, let's start thinning out some of this overgrowth. First, remove any dead, damaged, or weak branches. These are usually brittle, dark, or not producing new growth. This also helps open up the shrub and improve airflow. Next, remove some of the oldest woody stems, especially those crowding the center. Cut them back to the base or where they join a larger branch. This encourages strong new shoots, which produce the best flowering growth. For mature shrub, removing about a quarter of the oldest stems each year usually works well. If the shrub has become too large, avoid cutting straight across the top. Instead, follow taller branches down into the shrub and remove them lower down. This reduces the size while preserving the natural fountain shape. Finally, step back and evaluate the overall appearance. A few long or awkward branches can be lightly shortened if needed, but the goal is always a natural flowing form, not a tight formal shape. Less pruning often gives the best result. For very old or severely overgrown shrubs, forsythia can also handle much harder rejuvenation pruning. After a little thinning and cleanup, the shrub already looks much more open, balanced, and natural. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks so much for watching Gardening with Friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening!